Pisces, hi. For those of you who have been here before, welcome back to you. Thank you for coming back, and thank you for sharing your energy with me once again. And for those of you who it may be your first time, welcome to you. This is Surrender to the Flow Tarot, and I am Denise, and I'm going to be doing a general reading for the collective of Pisces. So that's Pisces Sun, Pisces Moon, Pisces Rising or Ascendant, same thing, Pisces Venus. Any of those work. Today's, it's a general reading, so it might not resonate with everybody. If it does resonate, take what resonates, leave the rest, and be careful not to make yourself into a story that's not yours, okay? Today's reading is chakra healing, chakra clearings. We're gonna pull a card from the Chakra Love deck to see what chakras you need to focus on, and then we're gonna pull a card for what's blocking it, a card for how to heal it, and a card for what it will look like for you when it is clear, and then an oracle message. And so we're going to be using the Tarot of Mystical Moments, which I just got and I love it. And for the oracle message, we're going to use one of these, Nature's Whispers or Wisdom of the Oracle. That'll be determined during the reading, as always. All right, Pisceans, let's see. What chakras are blocked for my Piscean friends? Your root chakra, which is your first chakra, your base chakra. Hematite is the crystal for you. Foundation. Foundation is what the castle of your soul is built upon. This is hematite. They're watercolors, so not a photograph. The glare, there we go. Okay. I think you guys are going through a transformation. You've just been through you've been enlightened, and now it's like the fool's journey, right? You're starting. Let's see. Let's see. What is blocking Pisces root chakra? We're going to take her. I'm going to go through and see if there's anything else, because she didn't fall. That would be a yes. Okay. All right. Phew. This is heavy. It's heavy, but it's light too, okay? So breathe. Realign. Don't brace yourself. Open yourself right now. Okay. Bottom of the deck. Jeez Louise. Is the Three of Wands. But underneath that is the Emperor. This is your underlying. And underneath that is the Moon. And underneath that was the King of Swords. Okay, so this is an entire story on its own about what's blocking you. What came up for you is the Empress, the Hierophant in reverse, and the King of Pentacles. Okay, these are your blocks. The Empress and the Emperor are divine counterpart, clearly. Not in alignment. Totally not facing each other. This is the way they come out for me, first, second. there was some kind of knowledge that you received, okay? It could be from one single, for some of you, it'll be from one person, a partner or somebody like that. For others of you, we're talking about somebody in authority, someone in authority somewhere, okay? There's some kind of higher level of something, but human in the 3D. Something that wasn't revealed beforehand, something you didn't know. Now you know, you're illuminated, and you are at a place, you've made a choice, and you started already taking the steps on your journey to move toward it, and you're waiting for the next piece of your puzzle to come into play. And what's happening is, because you're waiting, you are not being, you know, all three of these came out, right? So, well, this one did come out first, but these two came out together second. Okay, let's look at them like that. It's almost like she's giving birth to them, which she is, right? Technically, in the way the hierarchical tarot goes, they all come after her. Your focus is not, your focus is on the unjust that has been, the wrongdoing that has happened. I don't even know if it's focused on justice happening as much as it's focusing on what happened and how wrong that was, or how you feel about it, okay? You are not standing in your alignment right now with the source. You're not, your source and your human, your 3D form, your 5D and your 3D are not in alignment. And that might be because some of you need to break away from some kind of organized structural thing, or because you have broken away, or because there's a soul contract that you're involved in and it's not being resolved because there's still a detachment, because there's a misalignment for both parties, misalignment of themselves with the source. So let's see how to clear it. How does Pisces clear this blockage? You got the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. And the Five of Wands underneath. Okay, let's look at them together. Here it's like a different aspect, right? Almost of a like more aligned aspect of self. And here it's topsy-turvy. It's like a memory instead of an actualization. So the Five of Wands is battling a battle for a common good, for a common cause, for the good of yourselves, whether that's to like build up your battle skills, you know, but it's competition, but in a learning, training way. I'm Blake a little bit, hold on. You feel like you're in a competition, like there's a battle for victory, and you are you are blocking yourself from the beautiful beginning that the universe is trying to gift you with the Ace of Pentacles, which is the harmony of all of your etheric and esoteric knowledge and spiritual knowledge and your awakening and all your enlightenment, of all of that information, and the ability to pull it down into you, into the earth, into you and into the earth, alchemize it into something you make, something real, the beginning of your legacy. You're stopping yourself from doing that. And the way to clear it is to stop seeing yourself in competition with everyone and stop seeing yourself as us versus them, and just focus now on you and your life purpose. On you and your life purpose. And if your life purpose is to share the truth, then this is saying that maybe there is a different way to do that than you've been doing it, in a way that doesn't cause stagnation for you. If you're stagnating, if you're not moving out of a place, you got to take a step back and look and see what is misaligned for you. You feel me? What will it look like for you when it's clear? Let's see. Yeah, there's a groundedness that you are missing right now. So that could also be to go reconnect with nature as soon as possible. And ingest it, veggies and stuff, you know, get all your vitamins and stuff in the most pure forms of them as you possibly can, okay? And your water and all of that stuff. Filter out or totally cut out processed shit as much as you can. Don't be bananas. You know what I'm saying? Just keep a balance of that. Okay, let's see what it will look like when it's clear for you. The Ace of Cups turned over. So did the Four of Pentacles. There you go. Yes. This is one of my favorite cards. The Eight of Pentacles. Mastery. Mastery. Alchemy. The alchemist. When you turn into the alchemist. Because everything is harmonized. Harmonious and balanced. Not because everything is good, but because everything is in equal balance. When the negative happens, you are able to alchemize it. Share it if you need to. Turn it into something positive. You understand? It's not taking you over. You're not being overrun by it. And you're not overrunning it. You feel me? You are in balance and harmony. And you have mastered it. Okay, let's see what your Nature's Whispers is, Pisces. All these pentacles, and you're a water sign. So that's saying you're not in alignment. You're too much in the esoteric, and you got to come back down and join them. Okay. And you got to also remember that you are one with everything, and everything you do does affect everything, but not let yourself go bananas in your head about it, okay? Just do the best for you. Your light that shines is just going to shine and it will just shine brighter and brighter. And that's all you need to do for yourself if you're a truth bringer, okay? Just focus on keeping your balance with the source and the 3D. That's your challenge. Staying in that balance with the 3D and the 5D right in harmony, okay? Two for you too. Scorpio got 2. Interesting. Look how beautiful. All about psychic awakenings. Trust your own understanding and vulnerability. Look at the colors. Look at this. Taking that time to nurture you back in nature so you can get all these downloads, and you can balance everything out. The emotional with everything, with the spiritual. And then alchemize it and transmute it and transform it into this. Right? All right, let's see. We will start with vulnerability, 34, which is 7, which is a spiritual number of magic. You may be feeling like you should withdraw. This is an opportunity to wait and regroup. You are in need of some rest and relaxation. You might even be feeling overwhelmed. Take some much needed downtime. Take in your surroundings. Notice the season and the changes that are taking place out in nature. Hello, Pentacles, right? All of this. Things are continually evolving. Think about the clouds you see in the sky. They are constantly moving, changing, and reshaping themselves. Allow yourself to connect with Mother Earth and nature in a deeper way. Align your rhythm with the heartbeat of the earth and slow your thoughts and emotions down. Balance and harmony, right? Trust that everything will work out. The signs that things work themselves out are all around you. Take notice. Okay, let's see what 32 is. Trust your own understanding. The information you are receiving is reliable and accurate. Look deeply into the situation before making any commitments to yourself, okay? You have the foresight and ability to discern that there is more here than meets the eye. You do. This is who you are. And I think you all know this, but I think you have a tendency, it's hard for you to keep it in check. You know what I mean? Because you feel when something is untruthful or unjust, you feel it so, you are it. And you feel it so strong, it's hard for you. You have to temper that. So you come from a place that actually what you're doing helps everyone and you. You know what I'm saying? You have to temper it so that you stay in balance. And by doing that, that's your goal, to keep you balanced in a way that you can function in the 3D and the 5D harmoniously in your own unique way, but harmoniously in both. And you have to maintain that, you feel me? Everything will be revealed in the appropriate time. Don't feel the need to prove yourself. Be patient and allow things to unfold as they will. Trust in your own observations and knowledge. They hold your truth. Pisces, this is heavy. Give yourself some love, as in a verb, okay? Be kind to yourselves and treat yourselves well. Take care of you, your 3D, okay? So that your 5D has a healthy place to dwell. All right, thank you for coming and sharing your energy with me again, Pisces. And I hope that this helped, and I will see you next week. Bye.